Do you want to delete WhatsApp status? You can remove WhatsApp status permanently with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete your WhatsApp status, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Updates menu at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, you will see your and your friend's status. Now, tap on My Status from the Status section to view your posted status. You'll see a list of all the photos or videos you've uploaded as status. Here, I have posted 2 status. Tap on the 3 dots icon next to one of your statuses. A pop-up menu with different options will appear. Tap on Delete from the pop-up. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete to remove the status update. The selected WhatsApp status will be permanently deleted and will no longer be visible to your contacts.